So here's my garden. I want you to check something out. Look what's missing. We're gonna go down low here. I just want you to just kind of get a good look. Here's our zucchini and squash down there. There's our carrots. And here's the bottom of the broccoli right there. And there's a green bean plant or two and some more younger broccoli. But do you see that ground there? That mulch right there. Those are cocoa shells. And I kind of stumbled on them quite by accident. I was at the store and I saw this whole farm cocoa bean shells, natural mulch. Smells like chocolate. It's a byproduct of chocolate making. And they roast the cocoa beans and the shells come off, and they gather up those shells and sell them to novice gardeners like myself. I love chocolate and I love the idea of having cocoa bean mulch. I said, I'll just give this stuff a try. And it's incredible at stopping the weeds. It's just unreal. Now this is about the most weeds I've had, and I've pulled those a couple times and those keep coming back for whatever reason, but I've not really weeded this at all. One of the characteristics of it is it kind of binds together in the decay process, creates like a blanket, and really just stops all the weeds from growing, popping through. So I have done next to no weeding. Other than this area right here, in this corner of the bed, I've done virtually no weeding. And it's kind of fun to just let the plants grow and not have to worry about me pulling weeds all day long. And you can see no matter what I've got growing, the weeds are just non-existent. And here we got some popcorn growing and some green beans, but no weeds. And so how I did this is I basically planted the plants, let them all come up, and then after the plants had started coming up, I then put down the cocoa bean mulch. About an inch. The bag says put a couple inches. I just did one, because one drawback is it's pretty expensive. This one bag right here, 2 cubic feet, costs $12. But lack of weeding that I had to do in this garden, it's worth every penny. Certainly have a smallish garden here, but not having to weed, so nice. The pros for this cocoa bean mulch, it's a lot of benefits. Looks real nice. It decays slowly over time. It's great for the garden. It's inviting for worms and insects that are beneficial to the garden. It's a natural insulator, so it keeps the plant roots cooler in the summer and warmer in the cool months. And it's good for the soil. It has a 2.5 to 1 to 3 NPK ratio. Can't complain with the results. I mean, this is all pesticide free, and it fights weeds incredibly well. It just creates like a carpet. This mulch has been down for probably 6 weeks or so, and that's what you get with it. It's basically untouched, just the plants growing and no weeds. I got this at Menards, and if you're in the middle of the country, there's lots of Menards stores everywhere. Some independent farm stores may carry it as well. The stuff is magic for keeping weeds out. Because it's a product of chocolate plant, it does have caffeine in it, so you want to keep your dogs away from it, but that's something you want to be aware of. This turned out just to be a random purchase that worked out incredibly well, and so I thought it might be interesting for you and your gardening in the future. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. One thing that's pretty cool about it is when you put it down, it's really got an amazing smell. It smells just like chocolate, like cracking open a chocolate bar.